Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a full face of drugstore makeup. All these products I am using today you can find at your local Walmart, Target, CVS, or any drugstore. Today I am going to be using some new drugstore products and I'm also going to be using some old drugstore products. I did create this look I am wearing right now. If you are interested, just keep watching. But first, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Also, I am posting videos every week, so make sure you do have your post notifications turned on so you are notified every time I upload a video. Okay, I am going to be starting with primer, and for primer I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. This is a newer primer and it is very, very luminous, so this is perfect for dewy skin. Moving on to foundation, I will be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. This is also a newer drugstore product. And I am going to be blending that all out with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Beauty Sponge. I do have a whole video on my foundation routine. If you're interested in learning more about that, I will link that video in the description for you guys. For concealer, I am going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to be putting concealer on the places that I want to be concealed and also highlighted, because I do use a lighter concealer to highlight points of my face. And again, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blending sponge to blend everything out. Now I am going to be setting my face with the Pixie Finishing Powder, and it is in Translucent. I am going to be setting the underneath of my eyes first, just so it doesn't crease. Now I'm just going to be taking a brush and dabbing the powder into my skin to set the rest of my face. Moving on to bronzer, I am going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I am going to be going in with the Pixie Beauty blush in Beach Rose. And I'm just going to be applying that to the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I am going to be going in with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder Highlighter. Okay guys, so this is my first time using this highlighter. I seen it at the drugstore and I wanted to try it. I am going to be using my Moda highlighting brush. And I'm going to be applying that. Wow. Honestly guys, this is probably the best drugstore highlighter I have ever used. I mean, look at that. Guys, I'm barely dabbing my brush into it, and look how pigmented it is. Okay guys, my face makeup is done, so I'm going to be moving on to doing my eyebrows. To do my eyebrows, I am going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow pencil. I have a whole video explaining in depth of how I do my brows. I will link that video in the description if you guys are interested in that. Okay guys, now my eyebrows are done, so I'm going to be moving on to eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, I am going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette, and this one is in the shade Cream and Sugar. For lips, I'm going to be using a e.l.f. liquid lip gloss. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to show you guys what awesome products there are in the drugstore. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.